Hi friend, today we are going to discuss the cationic rearrangement reaction, that is Pumerer rearrangement reactions. In this Pumerer rearrangement reaction, there is use of alkyl sulfoxide having at least one alpha H atoms. These are the alpha carbon atoms. These molecule contain two hydrogen atoms reacted in presence of acetic anhydride to form alpha acyl oxythioether as a final product of this reaction. Reaction mechanism. In this reaction mechanism, the step first, the acylation of sulfoxide ions to form acyl sulfonium salt. In this, the alkyl sulfoxide ions like here R1 S double bond O, general reaction, that is R2 resonate, that is resonance formation here to form a resonating structure like R1 ES single bond, oxygen contain negative charge, sulfur contain positive charge. Due to here the sulfur is electropositive and oxygen is electronegative, therefore there is formation of resonance structure. Then this molecule reacted in presence of the acetic anhydride compound like here R C double bond O, O C double bond O, here R single dash R double dash. In this molecule there is nucleophilic addition take place. The oxygen contain non-bonded pair of electron donate toward the electron deficient carbonyl carbon atoms of anhydride molecules. Here this bonding electron shifted toward the more electronegative oxygen atoms to form the molecule like here R1 S positive charge O, the remaining group, that is CH2 R2. These are the new bond formation between C single bond O minus ions, here already present groups, that is R dash, then C single bond O, C double bond O, R double dash. The formation of acyl oxysulfonium salt molecule. In step second, there is loss of proton from the alpha carbon atoms to form acyl sulfonium ylide compounds. Here from these molecules there is loss of the molecule, this bonding electron shifted to form single to double bond, then this bonding electron shifted toward the oxygen atoms. R1 S positive charge O C double bond O, here R dash R2 molecules. Now there is abstraction of proton, that is loss of proton take place from the alpha carbon atoms. This proton can be abstracted by the R double dash C double bond O, O minus ions, acylate ion, the abstract H plus, then this bonding electron shifted toward these carbon sulfur atoms to form a single to double bond, that is formation of acyl sulfonium ylide molecules like R1 S double bond, here CH R2 C sulfur oxygen C double bond O, or single dash. Step third. In the step third, there is cleavage of sulfur oxygen bond take place to form carbocation ions. Then the carbocation ions reacted in presence of nucleophile, that is nucleophilic addition take place to form a final product of this reaction. Here the sulfur oxygen, the bond cleavage take place, this bonding electron shifted toward the oxygen atom. There is breaking of sulfur oxygen bond take place to form the molecule like here R1 ES double bond, here R2. This sulfur contain positive charge which can resonate, that is these are the more electronegative than this carbon atom, therefore these are the less stable carbocation ions, therefore this molecule can be form the more stable carbocation ions by this bonding electron shifted toward these oxygen atoms, and then there is displacement of positive charge from the more electronegative sulfur atom toward the less electronegative carbon atoms. There is formation of more stable carbocation ions like R1 ES, here R2, the displacement of positive charge, here formation of positive center. As carbocation ions can be reacted in presence of nucleophile. The nucleophile may be from the same reaction center, that is intramolecular reaction, or from the outside the nucleophilic addition, that is intermolecular reaction take place. In this reaction there is the nucleophile, the source of nucleophile. In this step first there is elimination of the acylate ions. So this acylate ion can be reacted in presence of this carbocation ions like, that is R dash C double bond O minus ions act as the nucleophiles. They donate electron toward the electron deficient, the CH2, that is carbocation ions, to form the final product of this reaction like the formation of alpha acyloxy thioether as a final product of this reaction. Here that is R1 ES R2, the newly bonded groups like O C double bond O R, formation of final product of this reaction, that is alpha acyloxy thioether compound. These are the practice example. You can write correct product as well as mechanism for this reaction.